fueled by Unreal Engine 5, this game promises stunning visuals, large-scale warfare, and an immersive single-player mode, but error code 126 is causing frustration for many. To resolve this, the first step is to install the Media Feature Pack, which is crucial for media support on Windows 10, 11 PCs. Next, installing the Unreal Engine setup can help, as it ensures all necessary components are in place for the game to run smoothly. Keeping the game updated is essential. An outdated patch can often be the root cause of such issues, so always check for the latest updates. Verifying and repairing game files through Steam or Epic Games Launcher can fix corrupted files without needing a full reinstall. Running the game in compatibility mode for an older version of Windows can also help, ensuring better stability and performance. Lastly, make sure your Windows system is up to date, as outdated drivers and system versions can lead to conflicts and errors.